Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The 1979 Dodge Little Red Express truck stands out as an iconic representation of American automotive history. It was a vehicle that broke the mold, combining the rugged functionality of a pickup truck with a distinctive flair that captured the hearts of enthusiasts. When it debuted, the Little Red Express was not just another workhorse. It was a statement on wheels, signaling a shift in what consumers expected from their trucks. The Little Red Express was born during a time when the automotive industry was grappling with the oil crisis and tightening emission regulations. These challenges led to a wave of change, with manufacturers looking for innovative ways to attract buyers. Dodge took a bold step by introducing a truck that featured a flashy exterior, complete with bright red paint, gold striping, and unique features like wood paneling on the sides. It was a truck that appealed not just to the practical driver, but also to those who wanted style and personality in their vehicles. Under the hood, the Little Red Express packed a punch. It was equipped with a powerful 360 cubic inch V8 engine, giving it an impressive output for a truck of its class. What set it apart even further was its dual exhaust system, which not only enhanced performance, but also produced a distinctive growl that echoed the truck's rebellious spirit. This combination of power and striking design made it a favorite among a new generation of truck buyers who were looking for something different. Interestingly, the Little Red Express was also advertised as a rival to contemporary muscle cars. Dodge promoted it with a tagline that celebrated its speed and performance, claiming it could outrun most cars on the road at the time. This was a bold claim for a truck, and it resonated with buyers looking for utility without sacrificing excitement. It was a unique marketing angle that helped solidify its place in automotive lore. The interior of the Little Red Express was designed with comfort and functionality in mind. It featured a spacious cabin with vinyl seating and a straightforward dashboard layout. While it wasn't focused on luxury, it offered enough amenities to make it appealing for daily driving. This balanced approach helped the truck gain traction beyond just the work-focused crowd, attracting those who appreciated a blend of style and utility. Despite its popularity, the Little Red Express was produced for only a few years, from 1978 to 1979. Its relatively short production run has contributed to its status as a collectible today. Enthusiasts seek out these trucks for their unique design, performance, and the nostalgia they evoke. The Little Red Express is a reminder of a time when trucks were more than just practical vehicles. They were symbols of freedom and individuality. As we look back on the 1979 Dodge Little Red Express truck, it's clear that it left an indelible mark on the automotive landscape. It challenged the conventions of its time and paved the way for future generations of trucks that would continue to blend performance, style, and utility. For those who appreciate the history of American vehicles, the Little Red Express remains a celebrated piece of that legacy, showcasing how a bold vision can transform a simple truck into a cultural icon.